When performing in a party, it's always a good idea to involve many members of the audience. It makes the people pay attention, not necessarily to you, but to their friends being part of the performance. Choose 5 people. Ideally, they are in different parts of the room. Okay, that one. You say, "Ma'am, can you agree for the cards and tell me when to stop?" Okay, stop. Take this card, please. Go to another person. Sir, I will bring for the cards and tell me when to stop. Okay? Take this card, sir. Sir, I will bring for the cards. Tell me when to stop. Okay? Sorry. So card. Okay. Please. Stop. Okay. Last one. One more. Oh, you will. Okay. Tell me when to stop. Okay. So, I would like you to please look at your card, keep it close to your chest, don't show it to anybody, and focus on the card. I can see a lot of cards. Sir, is there a 5 of cards? 5 of cards. 2 sparkling earrings. Sir, 2 of diamonds here. 2 of diamonds. Black card. 6 cards. There are 6 of spades. And then I see 2 cards that are both clubs. Okay, one is at 8 and one is at 2. So an 8 of clubs and a 2 of clubs. 2 of clubs. Psychic power. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it. My setup was these 5 cards. These are the first 5 numbers of my phone number. 8, 5, 6, 2, 2. And for the suit, I follow the chased pattern. Chased, CHSD. Just remember CHSD. Chase as in being run after. So start with clubs, hearts, spades, diamond, clubs. So that's chased. Okay? You put this 5 on top of the deck. So you choose 5 members of the audience. Ideally, they are in separate parts of the room so that it's easy to hide your actions. Okay. So what you do is approach a person and you tell the person to say stop after you riffle the deck. Okay, ma'am, please. I will riffle the deck and just say stop anytime you want. Stop. Okay. Cut the deck and give the card where you cut from. But what you actually did was to do a slip force. So this is how you do a slip force. You hold the deck like this, you put 3 or 4 fingers on top of the deck and apply pressure on the top card because that is going to be the card that you will force. Okay? So refold the deck with your thumb and the volunteer says stop anywhere. What you do is you lift this packet and when you pull this packet, the fingers are putting a pressure on that top card. Okay? Look. So, stays there. And you cut, give to them. The illusion was you just honestly cut a card. Okay, you do it again, another time. So your next force card is here. Okay? Ma'am, tell me when to stop. Okay. Stop, says stop. Pull, put pressure. The next force card is here. Okay, sir, just tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay. Right. Okay. So that way you can distribute all your setup cards to 5 members of the audience. You can go up to 6, up to 7. Depends on how many cards you can memorize. But it's easy if you just use your phone number, you will never forget. You may also add an illusion of randomness by switching decks. First, you get a deck and have it shuffled by someone, and then you switch the decks. with the one we just set up. Okay, now I cannot teach you switching decks right now, but you can buy the book, The Art of Switching Decks by Roberto Giobbi. So this is my granddaughter Nash. I perform magic for her, and she thinks I'm a real psychic. But the secret is I don't really have that talent, okay? You can do it too.